What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to get Prime Video on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you want to be able to access all of your Prime Video movies and shows, the process is quite simple. And first things first, like you already know, there is actually no Prime Video app from the App Store of the Nintendo Switch 2. However, a simple workaround that will still enable you to be able to access all of your Prime Video shows and movies is to simply head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. So from over here, you want to scroll over to the settings, select that, and then you want to scroll over to the internet settings over here, select that as well, click on internet settings, and your Nintendo Switch 2 will start to look for available Wi-Fi networks it can actually connect to. Once it is able to find your Wi-Fi or hotspot network, you want to go ahead and select it. However, instead of connecting to the network, you want to scroll over to the change settings option over here. Now you want to scroll down until you find the DNS settings over here. Now by default, your DNS settings should be set to automatic, but what you want to do is to select it and then make sure it is set to manual. You also want to come under the primary DNS settings over here, select it, and then you want to go ahead and change your primary DNS settings to exactly what I have over here on my Nintendo Switch 2. So you want to go ahead and clean up all of the zeros and then just enter 045.055.142.122. You don't have to worry, you can still come back and change this whenever you want. After entering the figures, you want to go ahead and click on the OK button over here and then just proceed to save your changes. Now you can now go back and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Now click on connect to this network, but eventually this connection is actually going to fail, and that is exactly what we want. Now just go ahead and click on OK, and it is actually going to open up this page on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now from over here, what you just want to do is to come over to Google. So click on go to Google. From the Google search result over here, you want to go ahead and type Prime Video, and once you're done typing, just proceed to click on the OK button. And now this is actually going to search through the Google search engine and give us some of the websites we can actually use to access Prime Video from our Nintendo Switch 2. Now from the top over here, you can literally see the official Prime Video website. You just want to go ahead and select that. So you can go ahead and sign into the Amazon Prime Video website using your Amazon Prime Video account. So you can click on the Prime Video member sign in option over here if you already have an account, but if you do not have an account, you want to just click on the start your free trial option over here. Click on the sign in option I have over here. And at this point, you can go ahead and sign in using your email or phone number, and you should be able to get and access all of your Prime Video movies and shows directly from your Nintendo Switch 2. Keep in mind, whenever you're done using the Prime Video website, you should always come back to the DNS settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. And then from the DNS settings, you want to make sure you set it to automatic back again. And once this is set to automatic, you should now be able to do other things as you would normally do on your Nintendo Switch 2 without any internet problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.